DeepSeek is now even more popular than ChatGPT, and people are making a fortune with it. Would you like to get your piece of the pie? Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace innovation. Act now and make it happen. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use DeepSeek to generate income across 5 booming industries. Whether you're a business owner, investor, or just looking for a new side hustle, these strategies will help you tap into the power of AI and turn it into profit. Let's dive in. 1. Make money. In e-commerce with DeepSeek. First up, let's talk about e-commerce. DeepSeek can optimize product recommendations by analyzing customer behavior, purchase history, and browsing patterns. For example, if you run an online fitness store, DeepSeek can suggest protein shakes to someone who just bought workout equipment. This boosts sales and increases customer satisfaction, creating a win-win situation. You can monetize this by offering advanced recommendation tools to other e-commerce businesses. A small boutique, for instance, could pay you for a subscription-based service that uses DeepSeek to improve their product suggestions. Another way to make money with DeepSeek is by partnering with brands for sponsored recommendations, earning a commission for every sale. The e-commerce industry is booming, and DeepSeek gives you the tools to stay ahead of the competition. Inventory management is another goldmine where DeepSeek can predict demand and optimize supply chains. For example, a fashion retailer could use DeepSeek to avoid overstocking or running out of popular items, reducing storage costs and increasing profits. You could even sell this as a service to smaller retailers who struggle with inventory issues. You want a business example? Here is a simple one. Offer a small online gadget store to predict demand for their products, ensuring they never miss a sale. By offering this service, you create a recurring revenue stream while helping businesses grow. DeepSeek's predictive capabilities make it a must-have tool for any e-commerce operation. Customer behavior analysis is equally powerful, as DeepSeek can identify trends, preferences, and pain points. For instance, a toy store could use DeepSeek to identify trending products and launch a holiday campaign that doubles their revenue. You can monetize this by creating targeted marketing campaigns for your own store or offering insights to other businesses. Here is a business example. A subscription box company could pay you for a detailed report on customer preferences, helping them curate better products. You could also sell these insights to third-party companies, creating a passive income stream. The possibilities are endless when you leverage DeepSeek's data analysis capabilities. The e-commerce industry is full of opportunities, and DeepSeek gives you the tools to capitalize on them. Whether you're running your own store or offering services to others, the potential for profit is massive. Start exploring how DeepSeek can transform your e-commerce business today. Now, before we move on to the next industry, let me ask you this. Are you already thinking about how you can apply these strategies? If so, drop a comment below with which industry excites you the most. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money with AI. 2. Make money. In the finance industry with DeepSeek next, let's explore the finance industry. DeepSeek is a game changer for fraud detection, analyzing transaction patterns to flag suspicious activity in real time. For example, a fintech startup could use DeepSeek to save millions by preventing fraudulent transactions. You can monetize this by offering fraud detection software to banks and payment processors. Here is a simple business example. A small online payment platform could pay you for a subscription-based fraud detection service. This creates a recurring revenue stream while helping businesses build trust with their customers. Risk assessment is another lucrative area where DeepSeek can analyze financial data to predict loan defaults or assess investment risks. For instance, a credit union could use DeepSeek to reduce bad loans and increase profitability. You can monetize this by offering risk assessment tools to financial institutions. Consider this simple business. You may offer a platform to mortgage lenders that evaluates property risk, helping them make smarter lending decisions. With DeepSeek's analytics, they gain accurate risk assessments to minimize losses and optimize loan approvals. Monetize through subscription plans or per assessment fees. Establishing yourself as a key resource strengthens your position in the finance industry and opens doors to long-term partnerships. Investment analysis is where things get really exciting, as DeepSeek can predict stock performance and optimize portfolios. For example, you could create a robo-advisor platform that uses DeepSeek to manage investments automatically. Here is a business idea. An individual investor could pay you a small fee for access to AI-powered investment strategies. You could also sell investment insights to hedge funds, earning a commission for high-performing strategies. The finance industry is all about trust and accuracy, and DeepSeek delivers both. The potential for profit in finance is massive, and DeepSeek gives you the tools to tap into it. Whether you're building your own platform or offering services to others, the opportunities are endless. Start exploring how DeepSeek can transform your financial ventures today. 3. Make money in the healthcare with DeepSeek. Now, let's talk about healthcare. DeepSeek can analyze patient data to identify patterns and predict health issues before they become critical. For example, a healthcare provider could use DeepSeek to predict patient readmissions, saving thousands of dollars. You can monetize this by offering predictive diagnostics tools to hospitals and clinics. You can take advantage of that by considering this business idea. A regional hospital could pay you for a software solution that uses DeepSeek to improve patient outcomes. Predicting disease outbreaks is another powerful application, as DeepSeek can analyze public health data to identify potential epidemics. For instance, you could sell your predictive analytics services to a global health organization. Here is a business example. You may offer an early warning system to government agencies, helping them allocate resources more effectively. With DeepSeek's analytics, they can predict outbreaks, track trends, and respond proactively. Monetize through contracts, licensing fees, or ongoing data subscriptions. Establishing yourself as a leader in public health innovation creates opportunities for long-term collaborations and policy-driven solutions. Optimizing treatment plans is equally valuable, as DeepSeek can recommend personalized treatments based on patient data. For example, a cancer treatment center could use DeepSeek to create customized therapy plans. For instance, a pharmaceutical company could pay you for a platform that optimizes clinical trials, reducing costs and improving outcomes. The healthcare industry is ripe for innovation, and DeepSeek gives you the tools to make a real impact. The opportunities in healthcare are endless, and DeepSeek can help you capitalize on them. Whether you're working with providers, insurers, or patients, the potential for profit is huge. Start exploring how DeepSeek can transform healthcare today. 4. How to make money. Using DeepSeek for marketing success. Let's move on to marketing. DeepSeek can improve ad targeting by analyzing customer data to deliver highly personalized ads. For example, a digital marketing agency could use DeepSeek to run campaigns that drive conversions. You can monetize this by offering ad optimization services to businesses. You want a business example? Here is one. A local restaurant could pay you to run a DeepSeek-powered ad campaign that doubles their reservations. Customer segmentation is another powerful tool, as DeepSeek can group customers based on behavior and preferences. For instance, an e-commerce brand could use DeepSeek to launch a holiday sale that triples their revenue. You can monetize this by offering segmentation tools to marketers. For instance, a subscription box company could pay you for a platform that helps them curate better products. By providing these tools, you position yourself as a leader in data-driven marketing. Analyzing campaign performance is equally important, as DeepSeek can track metrics in real time to optimize campaigns. For example, a tech startup could use DeepSeek to refine their social media strategy. Here is another business idea. You can offer your service or a program to a small business to create a detailed report on their campaign performance, helping them save time and money. The marketing industry is all about results, and DeepSeek delivers. The potential for profit in marketing is huge, and DeepSeek gives you the tools to tap into it. Whether you're running campaigns for clients or selling tools to marketers, the opportunities are endless. Start exploring how DeepSeek can transform your marketing efforts today. 5. Use DeepSeek to make money in real estate. Finally, let's talk about real estate. DeepSeek can predict property values by analyzing market trends, location data, and property features. For example, A real estate agent could use DeepSeek to predict which neighborhoods are about to boom. You can monetize this by offering property valuation tools to investors. Here is a simple business idea you can consider. Offer an AI-powered valuation platform to a real estate investment firm for accurate property insights. With DeepSeek's analytics, they gain precise market trends and price predictions, helping them make smarter investments. Monetize through tiered pricing, offering basic reports for free and charging for advanced analytics. Additional revenue streams include partnerships with mortgage lenders and property developers. Analyzing market trends is another lucrative area, as DeepSeek can identify emerging markets and rental yield trends. For instance, you could create a subscription-based platform for real estate investors. You want a business example? No problem. Offer a market trend report to a property developer, identifying the next hot investment area. With DeepSeek's analytics, they gain data-driven insights to make smarter decisions. Monetize through one-time report sales or a subscription model for ongoing market analysis. Establishing yourself as a trusted advisor opens opportunities for consulting and exclusive partnerships. Optimizing pricing strategies is equally valuable, as DeepSeek can recommend the best prices for properties based on demand and competition. For example, a property management company could use DeepSeek to maximize rental income. A vacation rental host could pay you for a pricing tool that helps them stay competitive. The real estate industry is all about timing and data, and DeepSeek gives you both. The opportunities in real estate are endless, and DeepSeek can help you capitalize on them. Whether you're working with agents, investors, or developers, the potential for profit is huge. Start exploring how DeepSeek can transform your real estate ventures today. If you're excited about these opportunities, now is the time to take action. Start by exploring how DeepSeek can work for your business or side hustle. And if you're serious about making money with AI, stick around until the end of the video for a bonus tip. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making money with AI. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out the link in the description to learn more about DeepSeek and how you can get started today. Let's turn these ideas into income.